Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to log in Roblox account without two-step verification code. Actually, it's very easy and quick, but you need to watch this video until the end so you won't skip any important steps. So if you can't receive a message on your email address or on your mobile phone with two-step verification code, I'm going to show you what should you do in this situation. So first of all, you need to open your browser. It can be Safari or Google Chrome, it doesn't matter, the steps are the same. And then in the search bar you need to type roblox.com/support and then go button. After that you will see this interface. You need to choose your month, for example January, your day and year, like this, and then continue button. After that you will see this interface. All you need to do is to enter your username, your first name, it is optional, your email address, then you need to confirm your email address, and then you need to choose your device type. In my situation it is iPhone, and then type of help category. You need to choose account hacked or can't log in, here it is, and then help subcategory type. You need to choose lost access to my two-step verification method, here it is. And then you need to click on this text bar, and then you need to describe your problem. For example, hello, I don't have access to my authentication app anymore. Can you please disable my two-step verification option? So after that you need to click on the continue button, and then after a few hours, maybe a few days, you will receive a message from Roblox support, and then your problem will be fixed. And that's all, and that's how to log in Roblox account without two-step verification code. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.